What if you could charge your e-Vitara according to your schedule and anytime you want? Welcome to Factful Fridays. In today's episode, we'll show you how to use timer charging and the Charge Now function available in your e-Vitara. Let us explore timer charging function. To schedule an AC charging session, first register the charging schedule on the center display. To do this, simply go to Settings, select EV, tap Charge, then choose Timer Charging. Next, tap Add to create a new charging schedule and set your preferred charging time. Once you tap Add, you will see two options on the screen: Start Mode and Start End Mode. In Start Mode, AC charging starts at the set time and ends when the battery is fully charged. In Start End Mode, AC charging is performed according to the set start and end times. You can also select desired days of the week to set repeated timer charging. For added convenience, you can create up to 15 charging schedules. You can also easily turn any registered charging schedule on or off whenever needed, giving you greater flexibility and control over your charging preferences. Now that we've explored the timer charging function, let's take a closer look at the Charge Now feature in your e-Vitara. To enable the Charge Now function, you can use either of the following two methods. The first method is Operations on the timer charging screen. To do this, simply select Settings in the center display and select EV off the screen. Select Charge on the EV screen. Select Timer Charging on the Charge screen. Operate the slider of a Charge Now to turn it on. The second method is Operation on the ending screen. For this, simply turn the power switch to lock or off. The ending screen appears in the center display. Operate the slider of a Charge Now to turn it on. But what if you want to charge your e-Vitara immediately, even when a charging schedule has already been set? Simply turn Charge Now on. It temporarily disables the timer charging. AC charging will start as AC charging connector is plugged in. And if the AC charging connector is removed when a charging schedule is registered and Charge Now is on, Charge Now turns off. With your preferred charging schedule in place, your e-Vitara automatically stays prepared for every journey, ready whenever you are. What EV car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.